Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to customize a variable or a sib in your diagram. First of all, you have to open the Cinco properties view. If it isn't appearing at screen, you can look at the video called Show Utilbars. Then, to change a parameter in a sib or variable or anything else, you just have to do one left click and look at the Cinco properties. For example, if we want to change the name of this variable, just do a left click there and then you can change the name. Let's say from X to H. Here you just have to press enter and you can see that the name of the variable has changed. Keep in mind, changing the name of an output in a sib is not a good thing to try, because it will just create an error when generating the code. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.